All right. HTTPS, as we continue to talk about this. So for HTTP pretty much follows what we call a client server model. As in there's always some server and there's always a client. The client makes a request to the server responds. It's like, hey mommy, I want to eat this food. It's like, okay, food prepared. There's your food. Kind of like that. So there's always like um somebody presenting something, which is the client, and the browser and the server accepting and processing that and sending back a response. Clients are typically browsers. It can be a browser. It can be curl. Curl is a Linux application or command line application, which pretty much works like a browser, except you don't get all the pretty fancy Rolls Royce type of facelift that the browsers give you. And essentially, you're able to make requests and get responses back with that. Requests are typically sent over to a server to either access something, modify something, update something. There are all kinds of actions that you can do with that. Let's talk about the structure of an HTTP request itself. Typically, the URL, we've talked about all these, the URL, the path, the method, which is something I want to talk about in a second. The URL identifies the location of the resource. We kind of covered that in the beginning. Path basically says, I want to get to this specific area. And then method typically is a list of actions that you want to perform on this server. We'll cover methods in a second as well too.